Hadien dagi pautli ki snem bag skul Sibsing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School kabadon hanong pendeng kalamat ika jingsha iehbeiñ klam da don shu bapej bakmi lam ya ka jot kapay bat ika long kaman jong ni skul lalaban pen urlong ika jing angnot ki samla bat ki khana puli ka ni skul dak ba pen yo ika building skul ba thymmai kabaya ha pat kom ka ni ka juk ba manta ya kate ka yeng skul ba thymmai ka blatay ka jinglot 0.0 klur lawan ban pli paj ba ka khatnyau tarek ukala lengkot arjar pulai daw menteri rang ba jong sarkar jela ukonrat kia sangma haringkat ka jiga don lang u MLA ka dongston bat u chairman ka Meghalaya State Law Commission uba Macmillan Bersat u commissioner bat secretary jong sarkar jela u breakmi ikatanat puli puthi u BDR Tiwari IAS uba ALSM u joint secretary ka Shillong Mail klam nong pendeng i principal jong ka tiga skul kinong hikai ki khana skul kiri upat ba kibalawan man sakhi lang hakate kasngi habakran ka jingi lang hakate kasngi na kalyang ukonrat ki sangma uloang ban nadu ba ka MDA kalashimti ya ka sarkar house nam arjar khatphra ulabu eka thong na ka banta ban khmi kirpang ya ki samla Karbana kalyang uba Macmillan Bersat UMLA ka dongston uloang bau deu no mi khamat ba kham kirpang namar bau iej na ka banta ban wanra iki kampan roy ha ka dong ka than badi kani ka kam sakri bat train na ka banta upat ba ula train na rugis nam ba menswa na do umpat don bantai e ha ka kam san hima sima.
This will really change to a large extent the future of our children. But while I say that, this is only a building as of now. It will be made into an institution, into a temple of knowledge by the people who are working here, teaching here and studying here. It depends on you, the faculty, the principal, the students to make this into a center of excellence. Otherwise this will remain a building, that's all it is. But it is your efforts and how you ensure that you move forward that this building will become a school or an institution. Your local MLA, because of his drive, because of his desire to take Nongstoin forward, that we are seeing things happen. It's not simple. There are a lot of challenges. It's not that government has got unlimited resources. We have limited resources, but we need to judiciously use them. And when leaders like Macmillan come and explain to us the importance of the different projects, it motivates us to take them up and do them. This school would not have happened if it was not for the intervention of your local MLA, your leader, Macmillan, who has taken the initiative not just for this school, but for many other projects, all the road projects. He had come to me one day and said, I want Nongstoin town roads to be repaired and to be done. He explained the entire reasoning behind it, explained the reason why so many years it has been neglected. And we came to the conclusion that we must do it. And I'm happy to see that now a large number of the roads are done. There's a big project under the World Bank, about 29 crores of work has started already, I think. So the work has already started. And many other projects like these have happened under his leadership. And I'm sure that in the future also, given the opportunity by the people of Nongstoin and the people of our state, we will continue to work for the betterment of our society and for the overall development of our state and of all the constituencies and all the regions of the state of Meghalaya. In the last 5 years, you must have seen that as a government, we have ensured that the overall development has been something that has been spread across the state. Every region has been touched. We have tried to ensure that the regions which have been left out in the past, a lot of areas which have not got the kind of development that they deserve, we have tried to push even further. And West Khasi Hills district is one district which required a large amount of investment. And I'm happy to inform you that a special attention has been given to West Khasi Hills so that we can push this district forward. And I'm sure that with all the efforts being done, we have been able to make some changes. I'm not saying we've done everything. We're not claiming to have changed everything. But I can only tell you that we are completely dedicated to what we do.
Long MLA, long MLA, who are done to be clean by the time Bangga berubah ikapang ya kawai kapal development. Nga sacrifice na kapal development. Mensyua piyu inga nga impuh upahay ma mensyua nga. Asim si benay nga dalay delhi banikai. Mentang nadu belum hikmat tang sisi upay delhi syu. Lastang menitang ikam lamapak. La perlu kapal bangsa kiri yo upay ba. Kau kinong senang, jangan nak stay jemi. Kau kinong senang, jangan senang bakal nak pendai. Ngau ya priwat pek ya ubriu pek jadi kam. Nadu basdang ngau ya ke kentin bang ngayai petang ya kata jimbong. Bala kau beli ya iya ka ek bodon hanga undang pendai kan yang ada lele. Bang saya biar jaga perang ngau ba, lah bidon bangi. Ngan om pendai kan ya pi. Ngit pergi ke dikam. Kakam kakam jam banyak kakien. Kino way your action speak louder than word. Jadi kita kesini kepa sak jengken mau. Haga jengim jema kum nong hikmat. Ki officer juga instruction department. Iba per hing ibe kontraktor. Hagawai sini akan duk ande kan bidang tray di building. Ngau ngakila dan berbenda building pendai-pendai orang ala. Bangga kembali kepang di kontraktor juga ke skul ko. Ngau yang engineer jaga skill department bak tarian. La anem bak tarian mentau snem ngin yo bantri gini ngin persangsa berbenda. Jaga cekwa juga bol balang. Ngidong kata kejinya Thailand. Nadu ke department, hadu ke station, hadu buat mengikut. Bakar tahu tenang ke dari tanggawai. Ngak kuat boleh ini. Kadang tenang ke dari tanggawai, bangadon hasinda bagi minister.
I am the youth of Meghalaya.
Ngau sero ni benta kemenrit yonga.
Angni digira mamang nan chulija aro undina sanongaya.
Namar bam dan kam dan jam nakabenta jongi.
Every day, I face the burden of joblessness.
No kanyan pinorlong yakajing ang nud jonga. Kamon wan panyarap dengi.
Sakat kian.
Our future.
Introducing the My Card by Meghalaya TMC. With this revolutionary scheme, Meghalaya TMC will ensure the welfare of the youth. The Meghalaya Youth Empowerment Scheme is a mission to empower and guarantee them a brighter future.
Register now